True Buds. Yeah, this is True Buds. True Buds. Yeah, this is True Buds. True Buds. Yeah, this is True Buds. True Buds. Yeah, this is True Buds.
Welcome to True Buds TV for a Trokie review. They say medicate with confidence. I say that's bullshit. This is my least favorite purchase I bought from a dispensary in the past year. It looked really cool. I got really excited when I saw it here. So let me open it up. Comes in this little container. You take that and it has this little thing here. Little bar. I don't know if you can see it. Cut into different increments. There's 4 increments here. It says 10 milligrams a piece. So it came with 10 total little increments for 100 milligrams. The first time I had 3 and I didn't really feel shit. The next time I had 3 again. I was like, maybe it was an off day or whatever. I didn't really feel shit. Today I'm going to take the 4 and I'm hoping I feel a little something, because the last 2 times, like I said, I am very, very disappointed. I personally will never be buying Trokie again unless they make it right, send me a sample, you got a bad batch, try it again, it's really potent. Please let me know your thoughts if you have tried this and are on the same page and think it sucks. Please leave a comment to help others, and if you think it's good, maybe I just got a fucked up batch. But I'm going to take these 4 here. You take it and you let it dissolve in your upper lip here. Sit it there until it dissolves. Now let's take a look at the pack here. So, solvent-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan. So, Capital Coca Inc. are the people who produce this. Stage 3 tested. Total 97.18 milligrams of THC there. 0.35 milligrams of CBD. Lemon and lime peel. I mean, the flavor is good, but this thing seriously I really didn't feel it. So 4 here. If I don't feel 40 milligrams, my sweet spot's usually 20 to 30. If I don't feel this, then this product is complete shit. So here are the instructions I'll read. Decide your serving size. Pop Trokie under your upper lip between cheek and gum. Wait a few minutes to feel the tingle on the back of your throat. That's the cannabinoids absorbing into your body. Enjoy the effects within 30 minutes. Wait an hour before dosing again. So it's currently 5:40. I'm going to come back to you here a little over from 30 minutes. We'll do 6:25, and I'll let you know if I'm feeling anything, and then I'll come back in an hour, let you know what I'm thinking. Please, Trokie, let me feel the 40 milligrams. Don't just fuck me over completely, because I wanted to love your product. Maybe that's why I'm pissed, because it looks so cool, and it was appealing, and now it just kind of sucks. I'm hoping these 40 milligrams prove me wrong, though. See you guys soon. Let it dissolve up here. 6:28, over 30 minutes later, and I'm trying to see if I feel anything. I'm really digging in myself, do I feel it? I think I do feel a little something. Being a sativa, it might be a little more upbeat, but I'm still legitimately struggling to see if I truly feel it, if I feel stoned at all, and I don't really. Maybe slightly. I'm going to come back to you in a half an hour, so make an hour in to see if it really does much. Because for 40 milligrams, typically, I'd be ripped off my ass. So I stand where I stood at the beginning of the video. Come back to you in 30 for a final answer on these Trokies here. See what happens. Well. 7:20 now. Was really hoping something would start happening, but it hasn't. Trokie, you seriously let me down. During this time, I went on to try to find some stuff. I really couldn't find much. I know the website wasn't working, which is the case with some other edibles I've seen, but that in itself is a red flag to me. If you have a website on the back and it's not working and I can't find you, that's a little fucked up. So I'd recommend steering you elsewhere here. I'd go for any other tincture that I've had on this channel instead of this, any other edible. I would honestly even do an LOL edible over this, even though those suck. Trokie, man, You guys got to step it up. I don't know what's going on. Did I just get a one-off shitty product? I highly doubt it. But I can't ever see myself buying another one. I was like, oh, I'm going to try another one from you. But no, I'm not. But thank you guys for chilling. You know, I'm not that hard to please when it comes to this stuff. Does it get the job done? You know, if I take 20, 30 milligrams, how am I feeling? Am I feeling really good? Am I feeling it at all? You know, it's not that hard. I'm not the biggest critic here. So that's why I'm bashing Trokie today. Don't fuck with it. Spend your money elsewhere. Buy better shit. Just trying to be real with you guys. Give you the real shit that I'm thinking. And I hope you like and respect it. And if you do, give this video a like. I'll catch you later.
True buds, yeah, this is true buds. True buds, yeah, this is true buds. True buds, yeah, this is true buds. True buds, yeah, this is true buds.